Hi, I'm Sudarshan. You know, today is present to teach about the physics, and it is the regular routine in between you, me, and YouTube. This is the regular routine for day in day out. So today present to teach about physics. And guess me, I would teach in which class? 10, 11 and 12. These three class. Out of these three class, you can guess me, I would going to teach which class? Someone, student or someone else ask me, sir, why did you use your whiteboard 1/3? Or even though you can say exactly, you can say that the corner, this is the corner of the whiteboard. So students, whatever ask me these questions, I'm reply these questions by taking the class 10. I'm going to teach class 10. Hello, student of class 10. Now your video start on YouTube. Keep watching and stay with me. This is like this. This portion, you can say this is the circular of this one, like this. Can you guess? Why are you teaching on this side? Why not I'm not using the full whiteboard? I'm just teaching only 1/3 like this. This is the whiteboard. This is my logo. This is India. This is YouTube. Sorry, slip of tongue. YouTube and India. Like this. I'm just use 1, 2 and 3. I divided 3 parts of my workspace and always use in 1/3 of the whiteboard. This is called 1/3 of the whiteboard. One-third of the whiteboard. Just look this one. This is the area. This is the area just wider than the other area. Except this one. Except this area. Then you will find that there is the something wider than the other area. So I'm using the wider area. You know, my camera setup is not good enough and requirement is not available right now. So I'm teaching this corner or the 1/3 of the bird because behind it there is a ventilator just front of me. My room is, that is my study room, like this. This is 11 and this is 10. 11 feet and 10 feet. 10 into 11. 10 into 11 room, and this is the east face, and this is called north, and this is south, and this is west. Room is this direction. When the light is coming, this is the light. I'm going to teach about the light. This is a window that is called ventilator. Ventilator. This is called ventilator, and this ventilator area is 1 feet into 1.5 inch approximately, and there is the Pyrex glass is fitted on the ventilator. When the sunlight strike on the ventilator of fitted of Pyrex glasses, then the light, you can say light, I'm going to teach about the light. So light get diffracted. Diffraction takes place on the 1 into 1.5 area of ventilator. So I'm going to teach about the white light. Light, you can say the light. Light. Here, very important to know, without light we cannot work. Without light we cannot work on this board. Without light we cannot work outside of home. So light is very important. Without light we cannot able to see. Around the nearby object, because our eye needs photon, the presence of photon. When there is presence of photon, our aqueous humor attract the photon, and hence there is a vision on my retina. Come to the point. Light. It is nothing but it is the electromagnetic radiation. Or electromagnetic field, and just you can say it is the electromagnetic wave. We call this one is called light, and it is represented by C, a small c, a small letter of C, alpha letter, a small alpha letter of F1 alpha letter only, just this is C, and this C speed of C is just going to introduction of the light. Okay, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and this is exact value is we know 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the exact value, and it comes the relation between the electric, this is the electric or magnetic, this is called electric and magnetic. The area affected area of the electric is called permittivity of free space. And the affected area of magnetic field is called mu. This value is just 8.8. This is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. And this is called 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 decimeter per ampere. And it's the combination of this one, the combination of free space of permittivity, and this is called free space or permeability, free space of permeability. The combination of this and this one, this is called C. And C square, this is the C square, a square of the C, that is 1 of mu naught epsilon naught. Light is the quantum theory, and it's spread on the medium as well as vacuum. When the light glow, then it spread circle wave, like a wave front. So here is light with this pi r square. This is C equal to root under 1 upon mu naught epsilon naught, and this one, when you put the value of this and this, that is called a root under 1 upon 8 into 8 5 into 10 to the power minus 12 and 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. After solution or after simplify this term, we get the value is equal to exactly 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We are not going to calculate, just it is introduction. In future I will prove this one. It comes 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light. It comes from the electromagnetic radiation. What is radiation? There is radiation. Radiation like this. Radiation, when the light spread high speed surrounding the origin of the light. Here first we know about the sun. Light comes from sun. Okay, this is the sun and our earth is here. Earth is here, and this is sun. This is sun radiating. This is the radiating energy, radiation of the sun due to the fusion of hydrogen, and its temperature is 16,000 degree Kelvin. So here the radiation takes place due to the fusion reaction of hydrogen, and it comes on the earth. This is the atmosphere area. This is called Suppose that this is the called atmosphere. Atmosphere of Earth. It is nitrogen, oxygen, CO2, dust particle, etc., etc. So many gas is present also even here, because our industrial establishment is in the earth. In the commercial area there is lot of industry, and when the industry is run off, then so many gases release from chimney and mix in the air. So many harmful gas. So when the light, so many distance here, the 8 minute 20 second. This is the GK. What is the time duration of the sunlight to reach earth? That is, time duration is called this one. And the speed of light, this one. Speed of light, that is called velocity of light, speed or velocity, because when the light travel through the vacuum, okay, remember this one, when the light travel through the vacuum, there is the velocity. When it's entered in the atmosphere, then it is called velocity. So that is called vacuum. Straight line, this is propagation, and 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We have to find out the distance between the sun and earth. S, how much? So we calculate this one. We know the relation between the velocity, distance and time. Before Big Bang, there is no such kind of physical quantities. After vacuum, that is called physical world. It's after it is thanks to the after Big Bang, our atmosphere created, and so many physical world is created after the Big Bang. So after Big Bang, there is the creation of physical world, that is space. This is called space. S is also equal to space, and this is called time. Time and space takes place due to the Big Bang. Big Bang with the most physical part after vacuum. So we find out S, that is S equal to V into T. S equal to V into T. Value of V 2.998 into 10 to the power 8, except the unit of physical quantities which is involved in space. So this is the time, 8 minute plus 20 second. We convert 8 minute into second. How much? That is 8 minute 60. Oh, sorry, just 8 into 1 minute. 1 minute. 8 into 1 minute 60 second. That is 48 second. Now we put here, that is called 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 into 480 second plus 20 second. So this one is calculation. We consider this one 2.998 approximately equal to 30. Can we write this one? Just the approximate value, almost equal to 3. This is 3 into 10 to the power 8 into, this is 8, this one, this and this, 500. 5 this is called 500. Okay, this one. Now proceed ahead. How much this one? Three into 5, 10 to the power 8 and 10 to the power 2. This one is, and this is 15. 15 into 10 to the power 8 in plus 2, that is 15 into 10 to the power 10. Okay, this is all as coming in meter. This is called meter, and this is 1.5. Then 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 10. This is called meter, and this is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. The distance between the sun and earth, 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Now we convert into kilometer. 1.5 into 10 to the power, just 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 3, this is kilometer, and 10 to the power, this is 4. Okay, this is 4, this is 4, 5. Okay, 5 is 6. This is called million. Okay, and this is 2.1 into 5 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 6. That is called, this we convert into million kilometer. Okay, this is called meter. So 150 into 10 to the power 6, and here is 10 to the power 3 meter. You know that 10 to the power 3 meter is known as 1 kilometer. So here is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 10 to the power 3 meter. We put 1 kilometer in place of 10 to the power 3 meter. So here is 1.50 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer, and this is the distance between this one, 150 million kilometer. 150 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer. The distance between 150 million kilometer. The sunlight comes from sun and spread readily outward direction all around the sun. Our solar system is here, sun like this, and this is earth. This is called earth, blue planet. Earth called blue planet. Blue planet. So this is the sun, and what is the region inside the sun produce light? So that's it. That's it. And next class I will teach you about the reaction or fusion reaction of the sun thanks to produce light. Thanks to sun, and it is produced light. Thank you. Take care.